spot and you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day. We make it chocolate that Hershey way and you can taste the love all over the world.
Hershey's authenticity, chocolate and ham, as smooth as silk.
Put into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog box.
Custom chocolate bar. So there's the,
Are you getting it for the vlog too?
Luca is MVP, and then there's the Hershey's tin. Open. Oh, it opens up, and you get your chocolate.
You gonna do a taste test?
You get your chocolate bar.
Okay, give me one big word. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Hersheypark for the first time. I am so excited. We're starting off the day in Hershey's Chocolate World. We've done a few rides or experiences. We did make your own chocolate bar, which was really cool. I already showed that in a few minutes ago. And then we did the dark ride, which is free. It was very cool. It's very long though. Very informational. It's a cool ride. I'm glad it's free. This whole area is like really cool. But I just found an outdoor and there's Candylane. I don't know how many rides are gonna be open. It's literally 17 degrees right now and it's like the coldest day of the year so far. But yeah, we're here, so let's finish up our time in Chocolate World and head to the park at noon when it opens.
Welcome aboard, agents. Your amplifiers will let you channel your Reese's spirit.
The factory has been breached. This is not a drill. I repeat, not a drill.
No, but that is.
Agent, it's the league.
We need to stop them.
Training's over. That means we can't let him get away with the cops. Don't let Mint get away.
That's the spirit. Show them what you're made of.
Keep your eyes peeled. Mint can't be far. How are those hordes, agents? We need your recent spirit. After him!
And now, my secret game plan.
Oh, look, a lot of them! Don't let him get away. Let's go! There they are! That's it! Give it up! Keep it up and he'll pop!
You did it.
All right, everyone, we've made it into Hersheypark, and it is very, very cold and very loud. So we've done a few rides. We did Laugh Track and the Reese's Cup Fusion Dark Ride. This is pretty much the main rides that are open. There's a few smaller ones that we'll do later. But Laugh Track's actually very decent. I like the Christmas overlay, and going backwards on the drop's really fun. And the Cup Fusion Dark Ride was a big surprise. I did not know really anything about that, and had like roller coaster track because it had like little drops and stuff, and it was very weird. It's super impressive, and I really did enjoy it. I'll definitely try to get back on it later. There's only a few rides open because it is literally like 14 degrees right now. So yeah, but we're gonna explore the park a little bit. That's pretty much most of this vlog. We're just gonna be exploring everything. So we're over by Sky Rush right now, which I wish was open because it looks really cool. But yeah, let's take a look around the area. Alright, this is Sky Rush. It's all boarded up right now. It's hard to really see. It's like trains over there? I don't know. But yeah, I really wish this was open. This looks amazing. But yeah, we'll come back another time and maybe do it. And yeah, but yeah, it's cool to see. I'm like some of the only people on the path right now because there's nothing open over here. Most things over by the like main entrance area. So yeah, looks cool over here. That's right. I just got off the antique car ride, and wow, that looks funny. They said it has Christmas theme, but it really didn't. It's kind of funny though because it had like a lot of signs that you'd see like driving around here. And I've gotten some cool photos of Sky Rush and all that, making me miss all these closed rides even more. There's like not a single outdoor roller coaster open here. There's just a single coaster and a dark ride and a few kids rides. So I don't know if I would recommend it. Maybe when it's over like 32. But yeah, we're gonna explore a little more. Alright, I didn't even know it existed, but we're going to this zoo wildlife thing. It's like North America's Wildlife Park. I don't know what it is, but let's go check it out. Little update, nothing's open. And it's still cold. So, not a lot's happening right now. I'm just getting a lot of footage with the camera. It's beautiful here. I love this park. I really hope I can come back in the summer sometime when it's warm and all the rides are open. But yeah, we're gonna go over to the Candylane area. So there's like Skyrush restraints in here. I don't know if these are old ones or new ones. They look like the new ones. But yeah, they're just in the locker area. I'm just very confused. Okay, this place is amazing. I was like, okay, yeah, it's pretty cool. I wish more rides are open in daytime, but now that nighttime, like, look at that. This show called Noel is going on every like 15 minutes, it seems like. I don't really know. I haven't been down here for that long. So the Reese's Dark Ride is definitely a highlight because that thing's amazing. It's kind of like a credit because it goes like up and down, has these like awkwardly steep slopes. It's really cool. And it has like good theming, not any practical sets, unfortunately, but the screens are well done. And the train's really cool. I like going through the woods. The Claw is actually really fun too. It's the pendulum ride, and if you're in a good seat, it's fun. If you're not, it's kind of boring. But yeah, other than that, this park's like really beautiful. So yeah, let's continue looking around. Alright, so I want to applaud Hershey because I'm walking right now. They have gluten-free cheeseburger and they have gluten-free fries. They're super confident. I ate here earlier, I didn't get sick. All theme parks should have this, but many don't have gluten-free options, so thank you, Hershey, for accommodating. It's nice and to actually be able to eat something and not have to bring food in, and it's not bad. It's actually pretty decent. It's not the freshest thing ever, but you know what? I'll take it if it doesn't make me sick. So yeah, good job, Hershey. Thank you. Also, Six Flags has got to learn from this. Seriously, they have nothing for me. This is what I mean. Look at all this stuff they have. Thank you, Hersheypark. Even Busch Gardens didn't have anything. So yeah, I really appreciate it. All right, we got Liam here. What have you done since you got in here?
Hello, I've done laugh track,
And?
the swings, the cars, and the Reese's ride.
All right, so what was your favorite one out of all of them?
Probably the laugh track.
Laugh track? Yeah, so that was, you like that a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, how about the swings?
It was fun.
Dark ride?
It was cool. I like the up and downies.
Yeah, and the car ride?
It was boring, but it was fun.
Boring, really? Okay, so what are we gonna do next? We're gonna go to the trees, and they're on the opposite side of the park. This park is insanely big, much bigger than I thought it would be. But it's very, very cold right now. It is like 15 degrees. So yeah, we're gonna head over to the trees now. Tube tree! Tube tree! Tube tree!
Tube tree.
Tube tree! And Lightning Racer. Oh, look at the beautiful lights on Lightning Racer. And Liam. Hi, Liam.
He's a candy cane though.
Goodbye, Wildcat. Until next time, hopefully we can come and ride all the coasters in this next summer. Because nothing was open except for Laugh Track. But yeah, this looks really cool from the few angles I could see of it. But yeah, this looks awesome at night. All these coasters do, as you can see from all the footage. But this park is just beautiful. Like, look at this. This is beautiful. I love this place. Alright, so that ends up our night at Hersheypark. Yeah, not all the rides are open, but it literally snowed 2 days ago. So, what can you do? It was also freezing, but it was pretty much Lap Track, the Claw, and the Reese's Cup Fusion with like the flying swings. The flying swings were actually really good. But yeah, all the rides we did today were like decent. And like the dark ride surprised me. The Claw was fun. Lap Track was pretty decent. It was the first time I did like that clone Mauer spinner. Not the first time I did a Mauer though. But I love how even like the surrounding town as we were driving in, everything was themed with chocolate. Cocoa Avenue and all these chocolate themed areas was so cool. I really, really liked it. And I'm not the biggest chocolate guy, but we did chocolate tasting tour earlier, did a free chocolate dark ride. It's like, you definitely like fill a day or two here. So it was really fun. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Merry Christmas. I'll see you next time.